Hi, this is the grade 4 English for Ethiopia students.
ሰላም ይህ የአራተኛ ክፍል እንግሊዝኛ የተማሪዎች መጽሐፍ ነው።
Section title: People and their work.
ሰዎች እና ስራቸው።
Section 1. Listening.
ክፍል 1 ማዳመጥ።
Activity 1.
መልመጃ 1
Answer the following questions individually. Then discuss your answers in pairs. Answer the following questions individually. Then discuss your answers in pairs.
የሚከተሉትን ጥያቄዎች ብቻችሁን መልሱ። ከዚያም በመልሶቻችሁ ላይ ጥንድ በመሆን ተወያዩ።
Question 1. What are some of the jobs you know people do in your village or town? Question 1. What are some of the jobs you know people do in your village or town?
በርሶ መንደር ወይም ከተማ ውስጥ ሰዎች እንደሚሰሩት የምታውቃቸው አንዳንድ ስራዎች ምንድናቸው?
Students, please respond to the question. A minimum of 3 responses is required.
ተማሪዎች እባክዎን ለጥያቄው ምላሽ ይስጡ። ቢያንስ 3 ምላሾች ያስፈልጋሉ።
Students, okay, good. Let us see the first answer.
ተማሪዎች መልካም። የመጀመሪያውን መልስ እንይ።
Answer 1. Farming. In my village, many people work as farmers. They grow crops like maize and vegetables.
Nampak.
Answer 2. Shopkeeper. In my village, some people are shopkeepers who sell food, clothes, and household items in small shops.
Answer 3. Teachers. In my village, some people work as teachers in a local school, helping children learn English and other subjects. Question 2.
List some more jobs you know that people do in general.
Answer.
Driver. Driver. Driver.
ሹፌር።
Farmer. Farmer.
አርሶ አደር።
Mechanic. Mechanic.
መካኒክ።
Electrician. Electrician.
የኤሌክትሪክ ሰራተኛ።
Construction worker. Construction worker.
የግንባታ ሰራተኛ።
Cleaner. Cleaner.
የጽዳት ሰራተኛ።
Barber. Barber.
የፀጉር አስተካካይ።
Fisherman. Fisherman.
አሳ አጥማጅ።
Businessperson. Businessperson.
ነጋዴ።
Doctor. Doctor.
ሐኪም።
Question 3. What jobs do you like to do when you grow up? Answer. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a driver. I want to be a driver. I want to be a driver. I want to be a farmer. I want to be a farmer. Activity 2. Listen and write in your exercise book the different jobs you hear being mentioned. Then compare your answer with those of your partner.
በአካባቢው የሚገኙ ስራዎችን በደብተር ይጻፉ። ከዚያ መልሶን ከክፍል ተማሪዎች ጋር ያወዳዱ።
Activity 3.
Discuss in your groups and write the different jobs people in your school do. Which of these jobs do you like to do in the future?
በቡድኑ ውስጥ ተወያዩ እና በትምህርት ቤቱ ውስጥ ያሉ ሰዎች የሚሰሩትን የተለያዩ ስራዎችን ይጻፉ። ከነዚህ ስራዎች ውስጥ የትኛውን ወደፊት መስራት ይፈልጋሉ?
Answer.
A teacher teaches at our school.
Okay students, this is the end of section 1. See you in the next video for section 2, which will focus on speaking. Until the next section, goodbye. Please like, subscribe and share this video on Habte Mengistu YouTube Channel.
እሺ ተማሪዎች ይህ የክፍል 1 መጨረሻ ነው። በክፍል 2 በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን። ይህም በመናገር ላይ ያተኩራል። ባይ ባይ። ቾ ቾ